Pilgrims should be in their ihram before departing for Minaa, also known as the tent city. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, arrived in Minaa on the 8th of Dhul Hijjah before the Dhuhr prayer. You should also try to arrive in Minaa earlier in the day, since it's recommended to pray all 5 daily prayers, starting with the Dhuhr on the 8th and ending with Fajr on the 9th. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, shortened the Dhuhr, Asr, and Isha prayer to 2 rak'ah only and prayed all the prayers at their time. If you're doing Hajj at Tamattu or Umrah followed by Hajj, you need to enter into the state of Ihram at this point. No need to go to Miqat. The distance between Mecca and Mina is almost 5 kilometers, or 3 miles. Most pilgrims travel by bus, and it may take hours because of the traffic. A large number walk. If you choose to do so, ensure you plan ahead. Know the distance and the direction. This is the beginning of your Hajj rites, and you don't want to get lost. La 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 la.